Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the lslogins command that provides some useful details on user accounts. In its simplest form, you could just type lslogins, but without sudo, some of the details that you'll want to see won't be available because the files in which they're stored won't be readable. So let's run lslogins with sudo. And I'm also going to add -u option so that I see only user accounts and not all the service accounts like daemon, mail, and syslog. And you can see it shows me this display. I have the UIDs, the usernames, the number of processes that each user is currently running. Over here, I can see whether any of the accounts are locked, and several of them are. I have the last login, dates or times. If it's just a time, that means it's from today, and the user descriptive information here. Now, if I want to see details on just one user, I can do this instead. Just provide the username, and I'm going to go ahead and pipe that to more. So you can see the display. It's much different, and each field is labeled username, UID, etc. We see a tremendous amount of information here, and it's nice and easy to read because of the labeling. Well, that is your Linux tip on the lslogins command. If you would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.